Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 13 Pro device, and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So firstly, you need to disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you are not using mobile data right now, just disable it. And if you are not using Wi-Fi right now, just disable the Wi-Fi and use only mobile data. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, disable it, disable auto brightness and set the brightness you need. Disable the NFC, disable reverse wireless charging, hotspot, newbie share, me share, and location services. Close. Great. Why we need to do it? Because if one of the services is enabled, it's constantly searching for their networks. For example, location services constantly searching for GPRS and GLONASS signal, and newbie share constantly searching for newbie Android devices, me share for newbie Xiaomi devices. So you need to disable it because these services are consuming your battery power. Then open the settings and find display here. Scroll down and find here refresh rate. Refresh rate so extended a high refresh rate, making your screen more smoothly, but it consuming twice a lot battery power. So I suggest you use custom refresh rate and choose here 60 Hz. Great. In this way you will really improve your battery life, but here you can dark mode. Enabling dark mode, you can extend battery life because your screen, your smartphone screen was created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and in the dark places, so lamp can't create a dark color. Okay, so lamp can only be disabled to show the dark color. So in this way, all dark places are disabled on your screen, and it's enabling only when it's showing you the different from black color. So in this way, when you will enable dark mode, all your applications will be dark. So as you can see, all installed applications and not installed and downloaded. So all your apps, maybe not all, because not all apps are, close, because not all apps are optimized, but more apps are optimized. For example, Opera is optimized for the black, as you can see. Netflix is always black. I don't know, Galaxy Forever will be black. Samsung, all apps will be black, of course. I don't know, games of course will not black because these are games. So you can check it, you can check how much battery reducing your smartphone in the light mode and in the black. So great. Now scroll down and find battery here, and here you will see the battery saving mode. You can enable it. In this way your processor will be blocked and it will not use their performance over than 70%. And it's good. And of course you can enable ultra battery saver. In this mode your smartphone will live several days. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.